Hi guys, what we have here is another one of my charity shop helicopters that's been in storage in my cupboard for probably a year or more. When I bought it I paid £2.99 for it. It doesn't hold charge, or it didn't hold charge, so last night I had a bit of a session going through some of the old helicopters that I've got, and I replaced the battery on this one, so it takes charge now. But I have tried it, and yeah, it's pretty hopeless, to be honest. I will demonstrate, but don't expect much. I think this is going to be one of those ones that we take apart and just use for the component parts. So that's a nice little pinion gear and drive gear. So you could probably put an ordinary propeller on the end there and fly a little indoor aeroplane with it. One thing I found was it's better to do a hand launch, because by the time it spins up it's already spinning the whole helicopter. I'll show you what I mean. It's trying to jump up in the air. It's a nice looking little helicopter, but it just, well, I expect if I had a much bigger room it'd have time to stabilise before we need to be able to control it. Whoa! Yeah, I'm giving it. Oh, I think that's full battery gone already, and that's a fresh battery. I've just charged it up again because it actually flew better than I expected. So this is the second attempt. It really doesn't respond very well to the controls. Need a lot more space. I reckon that's it already. few seconds. Not even enough time to trim it. No, I'm giving it full right. It does seem that tail rotor doesn't give it enough power. Let's try it with the tail rotor the other way around. Whoa, that was worse. No. Clearly it's got to be that way around. Pretty hopeless. I'll give it another charge.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.